Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce the Arbin LBTS system. This system has 12 channels, can test voltage up to 30 volts and 60 amps. I'm currently connecting to the first channel. So you can see that there are the other, this is channel 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have on the bottom another 2 rows, so together we have 12 channels. Besides this, we also have temperature sensor here. You can see that the yellow plug, I'm currently plugging it for the temperature sensor. It's a K-type thermocouple. I'm currently plugging in channel 1. There are many channels here. I mean, you can put many thermocouples there. Then this is my setup. You can see the red and black cables. These are for current, positive, negative. Then the white and the green are for voltage measurement. White one is positive, green is negative. I put the battery cell in the holder. You must make sure you have correct polarity. Yeah, that's the setup. I'm already turned on the power, so we can start the test. So the software we use MITS Pro, so it's pretty similar to the early version, but they have definitely some new feature. It's more convenient than before. So let's click the MITS Pro, and then we see the starting page. So here we have the different icon here. Mainly we use that monitor, those kind of thing. So that's one thing you need to be careful. The temperature sensor part have the power supply. You must make sure this power supply is turned on. Yeah, that's 0, 1. This part is the switch. Make sure this is turned on. Let's this is a power switch on the top. Let's go back to the software. We have the monitor. We also have mapping to connect to the auxiliary channel like temperature sensor. So here we also have test objective function. For instance, here we use this test objective here. This is to set the safety limit, upper limit, lower limit for voltage, current, those things. So that's the test objective file. Then here we need to go to the schedule editor. For instance, this is the existing one I just made. We can also start a new one. You right click, start a new one. Really, these are just some standard setup. You can simply click next, and then it's also some default setting. We can also click next. Yeah, these are just different values. So for the auxiliary temperature, because we are currently connect one sensor, so it's on channel 1, so we put 1 there. Then we can click go ahead, then we finish this template. Then it will automatically have 2 steps here. That's the test steps. So we click the first step. You can see that it starts from rest, so let's change the resting time to be 5 seconds. And then we also have the sampling period. Sampling, we also change it to be 1 second. That's the DV time. It's for sampling. Then for the next step, we change it to be current. Negative value means discharging. Positive current value means charging. So we put some random value like minus 0.1 amps. Again, we change the time duration, then the sampling period to be 5 seconds, 1 second respectively. Then we add another step. Step 3, we let it rest for 5 seconds again. Then we add another step. This time let it to be charging. We change the current to be positive 1. So we are going to charge the battery by 0.1 current. And then we change the time and the sampling period. Then we add another step. We let it to rest again. After we rest for 5 seconds, we can either go to next step. We can also choose to end the test. It's the same. If you don't choose end test, you just choose next step. It will also automatically be ended because you don't have next step. So that's one of the feature. Now we have if want to save, we say okay, you have an error. The error happened here because for the auxiliary temperature, the lower upper are equal. So we need to change the value. For instance, here we change the maximum voltage to be 50 Celsius degree. So all the temperature units are Celsius degree. So the low temperature we set to be 15 Celsius. Then it will allow us to save. Okay, so we saved it now. Now let's go to monitor. So because we are currently connected to channel 1, also we choose this channel 1, and we want to start the channel. Then it will pop up this window, let you to input your testing file. So this file is going to be the file name to save your data. So that's the file name we choose to save our data. Then we click OK. Then it start now. The start, yeah, you can see that for now it's rest for 5 seconds. Then it will go to discharging for 5 seconds. Then again rest for 5 seconds. Then the next step is going to be charging for another 5 seconds. Then after this it will rest for 5 seconds. Then we end the test. You can see that the test is finished. So after we finish the test, yeah, we can export the data. We have also that data plot. Data plot give you the diagram. This export data we can choose like to Excel or CSV. For example, we choose CSV here. Then we have these two files. So one global file, the other is the data is the second file. So we click the second file, and it will give you the spreadsheet of all your test data. You can see here we have a lot of information listed here. Some are charging, discharging energies, some current information, voltage information, temperature. You can also drag to see, for instance, here this is the discharging capacity. Then we also have the charge capacity. Then for this is current column, we have negative, positive 0.1 amps. So that's our defined current. The last column here, it's the temperature. You can see because our time is very short, so the temperature roughly doesn't change. Yeah, that's roughly all the testing results. Then as I mentioned that okay, we can stop the test now, yeah, because we need to make sure that we first stop the software, and then we need to stop the machine. The main power switch is on the side, but now we can first turn off the power from the green button. You press it, it will stop. And at the side part, we have two main switches on the side. I will show you on the side. there are two switches. You must make sure we turn off in the crash sequence. So you first turn this, or press the green button, then we go to the side, switch off the two circuit breaker. It's at the side. Yeah, there's two at the bottom. Yeah, it's here. You can see that. That's it. I think that's all I want to share with you. Thank you.